spent a lot of time in the shop floor to learn myself the machining operation, the motor winding operation. Because if you do it yourself, you get far better understanding. In Japanese, they used to use the term called shan sen sugi. That means you see it, touch it, feel it. If you don't do that, then you are away. And if you are away, you can't do an HR chief role sitting in your cabin. You just can't do. If you are a HR chief, you should be all the time either in R&D labs, understanding with the scientists what is happening in terms of development of your products, which are key. Because the more products you develop, that is going to fetch future revenue. Or at the shop floor with the workmen, or with the field force at your field. Even now, whenever I visit a place, in my last visit to USA, I spent 2 days in different cities just visiting doctors with our sales force to understand how are we feeling, how they are feeling about our products. I feel it is good for HR people to move out of HR function. Again, I'm speaking from my own experience. First time when I moved away from HR and look at what HR people are doing, I realized much better what I was doing wrong, what I was not focusing on. It helped me much better to appreciate from the point of view of all other functions who are our customers in HR when you play an HR role. So if you play that role, your empathy becomes much better.